Welcome to a seamless banking experience with HDFC Bank. Learn how to transfer funds from your NRO account to your NRE account with HDFC Bank. It's simple, secure, and hassle-free. First, visit the HDFC Bank website and navigate to the Digital Services section. Before you begin, ensure you are KYC compliant, your PAN is updated, and you have both NRO and NRE accounts with HDFC Bank. If not, you won't be able to proceed. Next, select the option for NRO to NRE fund transfer under Digital Services. Enter your mobile number along with your date of birth or customer ID or PAN. After that, input the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and email address and click Submit. Now choose your preferred authentication mode, either debit card or net banking. For debit card, simply enter the required details and click Submit. For net banking, enter your customer ID and password. Then, choose the scheme under which you wish to transfer your funds. Next, select the account from which the funds will be transferred. After that, select the account into which you want the funds transferred. You need to input the amount and select the source of funds from the drop-down. Now, upload all the requested documents. Then, review and accept the terms and conditions and FEMA declaration. Finally, review all the details carefully and click Submit. That's it. Your funds will be successfully transferred within 3 working days.
Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.